Alright guys, it's break time. We have 2013 Panini Momentum 2-box break. Today is March the 12th, 2014, and it's 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here are the teams. This was sold completely on BoxBreaksNow.com, no eBay. Thank goodness. Alright. Oh, it's so silent in here right now. It's like so silent. We need a way to like talk. Like, I want to hear some cheering and stuff like that, you know? Alright, let me try to get this wire out of my way so we don't mess it up. Alright, fellas. Let's get our... Look at that. I got a branded redemption. That looks terrible on camera though. But that's my branded card for my redemptions now. So we get to throw in a free plug there. Alright. Set you guys up in the back. I'm gonna go full on this. Here we go. Box 1 is here. Box 2 set to the side. And it's break time. Like always, big hits, big shots. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, pack number 1. Forgot how difficult these were. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna do this slow and sexy today, okay? Larry Fitzgerald, Malcolm Floyd, get focus here. Brandon Marshall. Maybe a little lighting will help out. There we go. Victor Cruz. And for the Miami Dolphins, it's a Jasper Collins auto as your first hit. Aaron Mellett. Alright. This one's tight. That was a tight one. Andre Johnson. Sam Bradford. Antonio Cromartie. Adrian Peterson. And this is going to be a short print for guess who? The Arizona Cardinals. Stephen Taylor. And that is a awesome, nasty, ridiculous 3-color patch there. That's a nice patch. Okay. And that is a real short print. Well, when you have a patch that nice, there's not going to be that many. 36 out of 49. Nice hit for the Cardinals. Like I said, never leave the Cardinals on the board. That's just a rule of thumb in 2013. Sam Montgomery. Alright. Come on, buddy. Oh, see, I shouldn't have cut my fingernails. There it is. Julio Jones. RG3. Demarius Thomas. AJ Green. Here's a nice one. Okay, well, for the Houston Texans, it's DeAndre Hopkins. That's a DeAndre Hopkins jersey. Rookie team threads. And that's $129 out of $399. Luke Jokel. Jermaine Gresham. Oh boy. I'm going to start putting these cards down, okay? What did I tell you guys about these two boxes? Rashard Mendenhall? Ugh. Could have been a better one. Drew Brees. And for the New York Jets, that is a printing plate. Unfortunately, it's Mark Sanchez. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. I know you guys know what that says. There's a 1-1 Mark Sanchez. There's got to be a Mark Sanchez fan out there somewhere. Printing plate. Okay. But there's also another good card in there. And it's a Mike Glennon Team Threads jersey. That's 84 out of 299. And guess who? Zach Ertz. Alright. Man, if you guys would have gotten a Geno 1-on-1 printing plate, oh. Yeah. That would have been nice. Jason Pierre-Paul. T. Rich. Torrey Smith. Jay Cutler. And hang on, guys. Just gotta move this over here. Going out to my buddy Mark. Dallas Cowboys. Terrence Williams jersey. Terrence Williams. And that's $260 of $399. Can't seem to get my lighting together today. Hang on, guys. Let's see if I could get that worked out. There we go. That's better. Alright, another jersey. And a Tavares King. And I believe, is that, no, that's not. That's a base. Alright, so we only went through one side of one box. Alright. Realistically, not bad not that bad yet. Although it would have been nice if that plate was somebody else. I have a feeling that this pack is going to be redemption for Mark Sanchez of all people on a printing plate. Jamal Charles. I'm feeling it like in this pack. Dustin Keller. Marshawn Lynch. Colin Kaepernick. And here we're going to have, nice, for the San Diego Chargers, a Manti Te'o, rookie signatures. Very nice for the Chargers. Nice hit. Te'o's going to be a big player in the NFL for years to come, I think. 39 of 199. Very nice hit for the Chargers. Alright, so that's not bad. Barkevius Mingo. That's not bad. Listen, a Mark Sanchez 101 is not going to be a shot. If it was Geno, I would have taken it. Even though I think they both are going to... I think Sanchez is going to be the guy with the better record, historically. Asante Samuel. Derek Johnson. Tom Brady. Jordy Nelson. Alright, so I said it once, I said it again. Jason, you're going to thank me because here's another hit. And this is the short print version for the Cardinals. Andre Ellington auto. I said, don't ever leave the Cardinals on the board. And this is a good hit. Ellington is going to be a good player. It's his rookie, it's an auto, and it's 47 of 49. So this, I believe, is the gold variety of the auto. Okay. So that's a really nice hit there for the Cardinals. And Keenan Allen. This box has been pretty good. I don't know. Forget the 101 plate. You know, and that being Sanchez. Try not to hurt. There we go. I think it's been a good box. I really do. I think it's been a pretty good box. Stevie Johnson. McFadden. Cam Newton. Richard Sherman. And for Jacksonville, Jonathan Cyprien. Auto. For the Jaguars. It's a nice auto. I could give it that much. Tavon Austin. Alright, 2 more to go in this box. They must have been laughing when they put that plate in. Oh, these guys are going to open the pack and they're going to see a plate and they're all going to get giddy. And then it's going to be Mark Sanchez. Tony Romo. Aaron Rodgers. Arian Foster. Okay, so here's an Oakland hit. This is, I believe, this is the platinum. It's at Oakland Nick Casa. And as you can see with that refraction there, this is a short print. And it's number 15 of 49 for the Raiders. That's a nice looking... I don't know if it's a platinum. I think it's a platinum. I think that's what they call this particular one. But, you know, these are very collectible. See that? So no matter who it is, it's a nice card to have because, you know, a set collector would go crazy for this to get a /49 if they're trying to build that set, which is really difficult. Then for the Cardinals, again, I can't even believe it. It's Ryan Swope. Jason, come on, man. Who took care of you? And this is the standard. 463 out of 599. Cardinals going crazy in this box. Joseph Randall. And just to think you guys were going to leave us to take the Cardinals. I would have felt terrible. Alfred Morris. And that goes for any 2013 product. You just don't leave Arizona. Gronk? For some reason, I don't know what they were doing in Arizona, but they had nothing else to do but sign cards. Colson. That's not numbered. Christian Ponder. And for Cleveland, DeQuil Jackson. That's a DeQuil Jackson jersey. Momentum Materials for Cleveland. It's 183 out of 199. Dayton Jones. Alright, so one box down. We have another. You know what? Compared to Monday, I would say that was still pretty good. Alright, guys. Good luck again. Here we go. I need a shot. Now I actually need a shot because I got played out so hard on that one-on-one plate. Here we go, guys. Pack 1, box 2. Our 2 box breaks. BoxBreaksNow.com. Blah, blah, blah. LaShawn McCoy. Peyton Manning. AJ Green. Cecil, where are my shorts? And for the Bengals, Tyler Eifert. Some people say he's going to be a stud. Look at that bicep. And this is a short print. This is not the standard base. That's a 20 out of 99. So that's a nice hit for the Bengals. DeAndre Hopkins. I'll tell you what, if he ends up being like Gronkowski, he'll never be as valuable because I don't think Gronkowski in 20 years could ever sign as much as this guy did in 1 year. Alright, Greg Jennings. Not to mention Andy Dalton. Probably couldn't hit him if he tried. Ben Roethlisberger. Justin Blackman. Michael Crabtree. And this is an interesting card. No, it's not that interesting. For the Miami Dolphins, Cameron Wake, jersey. Momentum Materials. That's a really short print card too. That's 43 out of 49. You know what? If you're a Dolphin fan, that's a nice card to have. He doesn't have a lot of cards. Mike Gillislee. Come on. There it is. Jeremy Maclin. Dwayne Bowe. Carson Palmer. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What the hell is this? And for the Jets, a clear cut of guess who? Okay? Guess who? Mark Sanchez. Wow. It's a really awesome card. These are super duper rare. So, I'm actually going to have to get a, let me just get a case out for this. I'll tell you what, if you're a Jet, you've gotten some crazy cards here. But this is a rare card, as you can see right through it. Okay, hang on. Let me get the case for that. Ay, ay, ay. Too weird tonight. This is just really weird. We get crazy, like, you know what? I mean, 4 years ago, we'd be like, wow, these are awesome case hits or something. I don't know what's going on with Mark Sanchez. I don't know what they're doing. Are they, like, liquidating all his cards or something? Let's print the heck out of this guy because he's not going to be in the league next year. Such a rare thing to get, one of these. So. I just get that case. You know, they're a little fragile, although they're 100% plastic, so they're probably not fragile. But when you hold them, they feel very fragile. So, look, you know what? It's weird. It's Mark Sanchez, but it's still an awesome card. Still a really awesome card. Alright, and that's not the only hit in that pack. Next card, you guessed it, for the Arizona Cardinals, Alex Okafor. Could you believe the amount of cards that the Arizona Cardinals are getting? Sheldon Richardson. Alright. Josh Freeman. Yeah, Taganis. You know what? You're having a pretty good break, though. Even though it's, you know, look, the guy he's a free agent. He might go somewhere and be good. I don't know. Who knows? He was good when he started. Heath Miller. Reggie Wayne. Wes Welker. And they're going back and forth with these teams here. For the Bengals, rookie initiation, Ontario McCaleb. The Bengals and the Cardinals and the Bengals and the Cardinals and the Jets. Another auto. But you know what? Momentum is pretty awesome, man. It's pretty awesome because every pack you're getting something. And that's... like... Come on. 125 of 299. Another auto. Kerwin Williams. We're doing it slow and steady tonight. Don't forget, Crusade is still available, guys. We could do basketball too. You know, sometimes you guys aren't into two sports, but it's fun as Crusade is as fun as Momentum, I would say, from a basketball perspective. We pulled the David Robinson on Monday. Auto. Jamal Charles, Dustin Keller, and it's cheap. I think we got teams for like, it's 2 boxes for like $6. Marshawn Lynch. Colin Kaepernick. And for the Steelers, rookie initiation, Jarvis Jones. Taganis is cleaning house. And that is, I can't even see it, 39 of 299. I don't think oh, it did catch it. Look at that. Jarvis Jones for the Steelers auto. And that's a perfect auto. Look at that auto. Very nice hit for the Steelers. And Josh Boyce. Alright, guys, here we go. Home stretch. You guys feel like busting a box of Contenders for a couple bucks a spot? We'll put it on random. What do you think? Whatever you guys want to do. Phillip Rivers. Mike Wallace. Chris Johnson. Luke Kuechly. And for the Bengals, a triple feature material. Andy Dalton, and AJ Green, and Green Ellis. And those are the dirty varieties. These are player-worn things, so they scrape them off the field. And 134 out of 149. Yeah, $3 a spot contenders. I wish I could do that, man. Tavares King. You want to do like, we could do one box. I'll do one box. I'll do $6 a spot for contenders. Deshaun Jackson. Ryan Matthews. Frank Gore. Barcavius Mingo. Is that a, let me just see something. Actually, this Mingo, okay, this is, I just noticed it when I turned it away. This is a gold Mingo, and this is a numbered variety. It's 4 out of 99. So that's a hit for the Browns. And for the Giants, there he is again. Ryan Nassib, jersey for the Giants. Jonathan Meggs. You know what? Let me just take a quick look at something here. All right, I see some of you guys picking up Crusade. That's good because, like I said, we don't have to sell out Crusade and we'll still break Crusade. Okay, so don't look at how many teams are left and be discouraged. And we do that sometimes whenever we're dealing with eBay. Sometimes we try to be a little quicker on our breaks because we don't want to get the bad feedback, of course. So with Crusade, take a look at what's left and don't be discouraged if there's 15 teams because we'll probably still do Crusade with like 9-10 teams left. Ryan Tannehill. Joe Flacco. Brandon Benchwarming Whedon. Free agent. What is he? Free agent? Doug Martin. And for the Dolphins, Deion Jordan. Rookie initiation jersey for the Dolphins. And that's 38 out of 399. Niall Davis. All right, 2 packs, guys. Whew. Whew. Packs are tricky today. Need a little bit of a fingernail. But I prized myself on being manicured for my breaks, Reggie Bush, like a hand model. I need a drink. This is ridiculous. Jacoby Ford. Santonio Holmes. Josh Gordon. And for the Titans, jumbo jersey, Justin Hunter. At least you get a nice color, Get that nice bright blue there. For the Titans, Justin Hunter. And that is 34 of 299. Jawan Jameson. Alright, last pack of momentum, which has been the Mark Sanchez break of all breaks. Of all people, it could be Mark Sanchez. I haven't even seen Gino. Although I know we pulled the Gino auto, I think. Alright. So who's calling a big card here in the last pack? What do you think? Here we go. Kenny Britt. Could we get a shot in the last pack? Could we? CJ Spiller. Jimmy Graham. Matt Ryan. Alright. Um, should I pour it? Because I just don't know. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Let me think about this. Could this be? You guys get mad if I peek? All right, I won't peek here. Eddie Lacy. That's an Eddie Lacy rookie signatures auto jersey. And that's 40 of 199. And that is shot worthy. So let me put Eddie in a safe location. The last friggin' pack. Now I gotta go to bed with booze on my breath. My wife's gonna want to shoot me. Cheers. Whew. Some of that 95 proof. Oh, man. Alright. Alright, guys, so let's do a, was there another card left? Yeah, there was. Here. There she is. And the last card was Kenny Vaccaro. Alright. Well, that was pretty good. Let's run down the hits real quick, and then I'm going to get them cased up. Alright. Just need a minute. Alright. Because there's always stacks of hits every time we do Momentum. Are you guys just quiet in the chat, or there's nothing going on in the chat? Alright, here we go. First hit was Nick. We have Nick Casa. This is a platinum short print, 15 of 49. Justin Hunter Jumbo. Deion Jordan, rookie initiation, jersey. I'm not going to do numbers unless they're short print. Rookie team threads, Nassib. Barcavius Mingo gold short print out of 99. 4 to 99. Triple feature materials. Bengals. A Cameron Wake jersey for the Dolphins. Actually, this is a patch. It's just an aqua patch. It's not a jersey. So that's even better. And that's actually a short print. 43-49. Nice card to have, guys. For the Dolphins. DeQuell Jackson jersey. Terrence Williams, rookie team threads. Glennon, rookie team threads. For the Bucks. DeAndre Hopkins, this is a patch. It's just blue. For the Texans. Not a short print. And a really nice Stephen Taylor patch. Really, really nice patch. And that's a short print. 36 of 49. Alright, so that was our patches and stuff. Then we have, hold please. There we go. Jarvis Jones auto for the Steelers. Rookie initiation. Rookie initiation McCaleb for the Bengals auto. Alex Okafor auto for the Cardinals. Tyler Eifert auto for the Bengals. Ryan Swope auto for the Cardinals. Jonathan Cyprien auto for the Jaguars. Andre Ellington auto for the Cardinals. Jasper Collins auto for the Dolphins. Manti Te'o rookie signatures auto for the Chargers. That's a patch auto. Eddie Lacy rookie signatures auto for the Packers. Then, two shockers. For the Jets, a Mark Sanchez 101 printing plate. Come on. There. Let's see if we get that 101. Ah, I can't. It's too hard to see that. Well, you know what it says. 101, and that's a plate for the Jets. And then a clear cut Mark Sanchez also for the Jets. Makes me wonder. No, not the same card. I don't know. Some rare cards, guys. Alright, so here's what we got. I'm going to get these guys all ready to go. Get them all cased up. Get them safe. And this is what we got on deck. Crusade. Alright, so here's what I'll do with Crusade. Let me take a look at what we have. Don't go anywhere, because you know how I am. You know how I am, guys. Philly's gone in Crusade, okay. What do we got? Let's see what's left. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, look. It's only half sold out, is what it is. So, buy 5, get 1 free. I'll give you buy 5, get 1 free if you buy 5 Crusade teams. I'll give you that right now. Or how about I do this? Why don't I just give you guys... no, I'll tell you what. I'll do buy 5 Crusade teams, get 1 free. You buy 5, and then tell me which one you want for free. Of equal or lesser value, of course. No. No, you know what? The teams aren't all the same price. Well, let me see what the prices are. New York. Okay, New York's a little higher. Toronto, Indiana, it's higher. Yeah, I mean, the thing with Crusade is that, you know, it's one of those things where I did a 24-hour auction on eBay, so I could just take the rest of the teams, put them up 24 hours, and we could definitely do it tomorrow, and I don't really have to go crazy with it. So I already listed them again, like the unsold teams, but I end the listings. So, okay, so for contenders, I mean, if you want to do, how would we do that? Let me see. Let me do the math here. I don't really care about making any money on contenders. I like to just get it done. And we can't possibly have bad boxes after what we had on Monday. You want to do one box of contenders. Let me see what I can do. I don't think there's enough of a crew in here to get some people to join you, but all right. So, I mean, the problem is we really need. Yeah, I would have to do. It would have to be 6. I can't do 5 and get 1 free with 6, because then I'm just charging you 5. I think we lose money at $5. So, yeah. I could do a solid $6 for one box random teams of contenders. That I could do. I really can't do any better than that. Maybe 5. Let me see if I could do this. No, I can't even do that. Yeah, it would have to be $6 a spot for contenders for one box. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do though. I will. What do we have on Prism? What do we have there? What do we have on Prism? Yeah. Okay. So that's still full. There's 26 spots left on Prism. If you guys really want to break something, I'll make you a deal, okay? If you really want to just break something right now, let's not call it a night, that type of attitude, I'm okay with that. Let me see if I could do this. Let me just get my calculator. Alright, so there's 6 spots in Prism that are gone. Yeah, we would have to do 18 spots in Prism. So that means another. Wait a minute. Hang on a sec. We'd have to sell if we sell 12 more spots. Since you guys are already in a break, and I could assume that I could ship already to you without. I could do a Prism break if we do 12 spots at $3. I don't know how many of you guys are interested in doing that. That I could do with us without selling like crazy, obviously. Contenders, if I put a new box up there, you got 32 spots. Is going to be hard to fill. But if we do 12 more spots in Prism, I'll open a box of Prism. I'm okay with that. There's going to be a lot of spots left, but if you guys just want to do something, I could do that. If not, I would say let's just meet up tomorrow night. I'll work on selling out maybe a single box of contenders on a random. We'll do the Crusade, and then maybe we'll do Prism 2 tomorrow. And I'm actually supposed to get a delivery tomorrow, so I don't know. Maybe we'll do something else. I gotta see what we get.